Hello and welcome to Solving Watercolour. Today I'm excited to share a spontaneous autumn watercolour landscape with you. The best part, no reference photos, just pure imagination. Let's start by wetting the paper in a somewhat random way, leaving a few dry spots, and this will create a beautiful mix of hard and soft edges when we add colour. With a bamboo brush, I'm adding cerulean blue for the background sky, and then I warm it up a bit with a touch of burnt sienna. Burnt sienna. It's a colour that effortlessly evokes the essence of autumn. Now I'm adding some trees. The tree to the right has a mix of burnt sienna, burnt umber and alizarin crimson. I'm going to add a few more trees now with dioxazine purple. To create some balance, I'm going to add some cooler colours, a background tree with a mixture of Payne's grey and ultramarine, and some greens in the foreground with new gamboge, ultramarine and Prussian blue. I'm making sure to leave some areas of white to create natural looking foliage and grass. Now I'll add some branches by scraping out lines with a palette knife. Once I'm happy with that, I'll dry everything with a hairdryer to prepare for the next step. Now I'll swap my bamboo brush for a rigger and add some trees and details. You can use almost any dark neutral colour. I've mixed one using Payne's Grey, Ultramarine and Burnt Umber. Don't forget to add some tufts of dark grass at the base of the trees and in the foreground by dragging the side of your rigger brush upwards. This helps to create some depth. Finally, I'm adding some dark blades of grass right in the foreground. These details help sell the illusion of depth, and remember, it's essential not to overwork it. And there you have it, a spontaneous autumn watercolour landscape. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the creative process. Remember, embrace spontaneity, let your imagination run wild, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more artistic inspiration. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you soon.